In this video, I'll be disassembling the Chevy Malibu Halogen headlight. Here is the part number on the light. Before we can remove the lens, there are two screws on the rear of the housing that are connected to the inner bezel that's connected to the lens. There is one screw here, and there's one screw down here. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. The lens is now disconnected from the light. Here we can see that the bezel is connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will begin by removing the two lower mounts holding the projector in place. To remove the lower projector mounts, we simply need to squeeze these white tabs with a pair of needle nose pliers and pull the projector forward. Next, we need to remove the upper projector mount. We simply need to loosen the screw. To do that, we need to go to the top of the housing, turn this headlight adjuster to the right. The projector is now free from the light. The headlight housing is now empty. This projector bracket is one piece. We can remove the high beam reflector and the projector bowl. Each are held in place by 3 Phillips head screws. The projector lens is held in place by 2 Phillips head screws. Here's the projector fully disassembled. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.